Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to work on my girlfriend's FRS. We finally got around to getting some coilovers for it. So we'll be putting the coilovers on there today, and I'm going to go ahead and give her my spacers until she can get some better wheels. It's going to be a little bit different because I'm not going to do really any of the work unless she needs help. She's never done any heavy modifications before, so it's going to be interesting. I'm not really sure what to expect. I don't think she's really sure what to expect, so it's going to be fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. The kitten looks happy for it to be lower. You should make a game out of it.
What do you mean, a game out of it?
So like, if you need to like phone in for like some help or whatever, then like I get something. But every time you can do it by yourself, you'll get something.
I'm going to make more.
It doesn't have to be money. It could be tacos tonight.
I'm going to starve. Nope.
Okay?
Okay, fine. I will be buying dinner tonight. So.
Okay, what's the first thing you do? You're about to work on this.
Loosen up the thingies. Loosen up the nuts.
The nuts?
Yeah, don't take the wheel all the way off.
Okay.
This one is very loose. Are you helping me cheat? I thought the wheel was too big. No, I don't want to jack it up on the weak part.
Yeah, there you go.
So this?
Yeah, a little pinch weld. I'm sure everyone has their own preference, but that's what I do. It's all the way. It's gonna make noise. It's the car's weight.
Oh, I don't like that.
You can stand up and do it. You're good now.
Oh, I don't want to.
Yeah. There you go. Keep going until it comes off. That's off.
It's off?
Yeah. That's it.
How do you know it's off? The noise?
Yeah, it's like a couple rotations. There you go. Do the face away from wherever you're leaning on. Yep. Ew.
Okay, now what?
You tell me.
I don't know. I gotta take this thing off.
So this is a good time to check your brakes and stuff too, right?
So I'm okay for now.
Oh yeah, you're great.
Okay, this is what I'm taking out.
Yep, you're
So-
taking that big boy off.
I should take this off?
So, what's attached to it?
My brakes. And that.
Nope.
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 So look at that one, right?
Yeah.
All you're doing is isolating that from the car. Okay.
So the little part, which is in here.
So this guy
Mm-hmm.
and that guy.
That's it.
Yeah, on the bottom. And then whatever else is attached to it on the side. Looks like this and this bracket. And that's it. That's it. That's all that's on the bottom.
What are these?
So the big
Brake
one.
fluid?
Yep, the one's the brakes, and the little one is your ABS sensor.
Cool.
It's like a wheel speed sensor, ABS sensor, whatever.
Okay, so take this off.
Yep. Let's grab the little.
I don't have to put a hood up. My goodness. Okay, now I still can't. Oh, this?
Yep.
No. Yeah?
Yeah, that's it. There's 3 bolts on top. So this guy is just little like clippy boys, but right here there's a nut on the back. I don't expect you to see that because they don't really fucking flash it. But nope, all you do is you pull that 10 off right there.
Okay.
And then you undo those 2 guys.
Okay.
And then these 2 bolts, and that's all that's attached. Oh no, and this guy too. That might be a pain in the ass.
That looks like a pain in the ass.
Because it's corroded. Like Josh is.
No.
No, it's
Let's go over
it's
that.
muy big. Cause you already got off these guys,
Yeah.
right? We already know that this is a giant
Piece of
dick
shit.
head, so we got to cut that off. And then, but in the meantime, we could get these two off. We could separate the hub from the strut, and then we could go on the top and get these off to drop this down to give us more room to cut on the back of this to get this off.
Okay, and then I'm doing this one.
Yep.
Right now,
You should be able to. Yep. Look at that.
my dirty face.
Hey, look at that. It's out. So we had to cut that right there. Those. It was not a fun time. It's okay. Don't know.
They have different endings.
This one will be driver's side.
Up front?
Yep. Got your first strut in.
After all this time.
Putting your spacers on. You just gotta get these guys.
This on here?
No, more. I think so.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Just get it started. There you go.
Oh, no wiggle.
One of your diff mounts is rotted.
Is that bad?
And we're gonna need to replace it soon. And that fitment's looking good for stock. She's wrapping up that end and we're all done. We'll be able to set her down and take a look. Look at you go. Fucking torn. Car's about to look fresh with them stocks though. It's fucking nice.
Big noise.
Yeah, it's going to.
I can take it out now.
Okay.
No? Wait, maybe not so bad.
Alright, now slowly lower her down. Yep, gently left. Wow, man.
I don't want to do that again. I really don't want to do that again. That's terrifying. Yeah, my car's light just flashed before my eyes. I'm never doing that again, ever. Not a real car, girl. Okay, the master. See, just let it go. Get that smug shit out of here.
You're a bit lower. So, are you happy with it? We could definitely get it lower in the future. We just need to save up for some nice wheels and then we'll swap those out for like BC Extreme loads or
I
something.
already had them pick out.
Yeah, I had to help you, but That's only because it's like super corroded, and that's not really your fault.
I
But
did.
you knew what you were doing.
Very good job, otherwise.
You knew what you were
I do
doing.
say so myself.
So I'll give you that one. Okay, let's go. Taco time.